Really? Gotta have a woosah moment right now. Gotta have a woosah moment. Guys, I've been talking about this. I've been talking about this for the longest time. I've been speaking about the call out, wrapping around. You could do this in Canva. It takes three friggin' shapes. No one listens to me. But Dove listens. Dove has not always had this. This is somewhat new. Oh, what do you know? Right guard's doing the same thing. Guys, I've been talking about this at least for the last 24 months. And I don't know how else I can say this over and over again. This is what, look at this one right here. This is three shapes in Canva. Don't believe me? Okay. This is three shapes in Canva. We're going to help out degree right here because we're going to do it right now for them. Okay, so mind you, let's go back over here. This is what Dove is doing. Okay, you with me? I think you're with me. It takes three shapes. Don't look at my YouTube thumbnail. It takes three shapes in Canva to do this. Okay, three shapes. Don't believe me? Show you right now. Okay, you take the product right here. Boom. What do you know? You drop the background. Boom. It's that simple. Wow. You take shape number one. You pull out a color that's not exactly overlapping. Let's say we pull out, I don't know, hey, give me the color thing. So we pull out this color, okay? Canva doesn't want to work today? There we go. Let's say you pull out the dark color. Maybe you don't want to do the dark color? Okay, don't do the dark color. You don't like how that looks? That's fine, you don't like how it looks. Pull out the gold. Now we're cooking, okay? Now you're gonna put it right here or down here or anywhere like this. So if we block this, we're gonna block where it says 96 hour. That's fine, because guess what? We're gonna make it bigger. Okay, you center it right about there. Make it a little bit smaller. This is not science, people. Well, it kind of is. You make another shape, okay? You're gonna do what they call the whammy. Little whammy like that, okay? You know, if you have to zoom in, zoom in. It's very easy. You're gonna connect it right there. You're gonna tweak it a little bit, that's fine. Drop this. You're gonna take your color and you're gonna drop it down to a little bit of a darker color. That's it. This, move it backwards again. Oh, what do you know? Okay, you're gonna find your layer over here, this one, you're gonna clone it, you're gonna swing it around this way. You don't want to make sure it's as accurate as possible. I'm not checking right now because what do you know, guys? And then you could swing this to make sure it's in line for whatever. We have a wrap. It's not even, but whatever. We have a wrap. You make it even. Now we're going over to this and we're doing 96, 96 hour. Okay, go to graphic. Gonna pull up my good old 96. Cool, I got a 96, right? Boom. I could even take this and I can make this the same color as this. Why would I make it the same color as that? No, you'll see. That doesn't make sense, John. Yeah, it does. Circle, right over the 96. You getting it yet? You're not getting it. Position, backwards. Holy smokes, 96. And then we're gonna do hours. We're gonna do something with time, okay? Do something like this. What do you know? It's almost the same color. It's great. Isn't it cool? It's wonderful, folks. Okay. You're going to remove that centerpiece. It's easy stuff. I mean, I got to tell you this. Come on. Come on, guys. It's master class. Okay. I can't even squiggle right. Oh my goodness. What do you know? 96. Is that the same blue as our blue? No, but we'll make it. It's fine. Ready? Ta-da! Oh, that's too dark. Ta-da! That's better. And we put hours. 96 hours. On brand. Hours. Take the same white. Make it better. You see what I'm talking about? And then over here, you're putting anything else, whatever other call out, whatever other value prop, odor, sweat, whatever you want to do. This is what these guys are doing. It's literally the same. I almost think mine's better. Yeah, you want to do a little bit of gradient, a little bit of styling, but look at this. Look at this. Okay? It's that easy, guys. I'm telling you, you're going to see more of these popping up. I did not see Dev doing this. They're literally doing it. Canvas shapes. Why are you not doing this? Go do this.